Kamusta mga kaibigan? Mula sa dunk attempt na ito hanggang sa pagbato ng bola sa muka, ito ang mga embarrassing moment sa NBA history. Simulan natin sa embarrassing moment na ito ni Kevin Porter Jr. kung saan ay pinahiya niya ang kanyang sarili.
A lot of time on this end. That time a preening Kevin Porter Jr. slamming in his face.
Nag-flex pa talaga, tambak naman sila ng 40. Isunod naman natin ang embarrassing moment dunk attempt na ito.
Dan Hardaway giving the Knicks a shot in the arm off the bench. Sets the table for Bogdanovich. Look out!
I believe I can fly.
Baka idol niya si Michael Jordan. Pero hindi natin yan maikukumpara sa embarrassing dunk attempt na to ni Carmelo Anthony.
Because you're indicting everybody by not specifying.
The ball knocked out of bounds. Last touch by Portland.
Anthony trying to dunk it, falls short and fell down. We're sitting in line in the crowd. They got a big laugh out of that. So Davis has denied.
Tignan naman natin ang embarrassing free throw attempt ni Tony Parker.
Was that a practice free throw?
Ano yun, Parker? Pero mas malala ang ginawa ni D'Angelo Russell.
Then a three by Rodriguez, Sergio Rodriguez.
Long arms of Brandon Ingram, even though he seemed like he was out of the play. Julius and D'Angelo not on the same page
Not
there.
at all.
Natawa na lang sila sa nangyari. Mapunta naman tayo kay LaMelo Ball. Dahil sa ginawa niya sa Magic, binangko tuloy siya.
LaMelo way ahead of the pack. What do you got? Oh, LaMelo. And a foul in the backcourt on LaMelo. Made a bad situation worse. And Terry Rozier going.
Paano naman kung nasa kamay mo na ang panalo, pero nagawa mong ipahiya ang sarili mo sa buong mundo?
Throws it, intercepted. Knight, 2 seconds, 1 second. Oh, he missed it at the horn.
Never seen anything like that.
Brandon, di mo pa na-shoot yun? Kung usapang embarrassing moment, panoorin natin kung paano nawala ang bola kay Russell Westbrook versus sa Rockets.
Secured the rebound. So, a couple of possessions here for the Lakers. As Russ just loses concentration on the dribble and ball goes out of bounds.
What would be known as an unforced error.
Russ, paano mo naman nawala yung bola? Kaya siguro sinabi ni LeBron na i-trade ka. Para sa ating next clip, hindi bola ang nawala kay Spencer Dinwiddie, kundi nawala mismo ang binabantayan niya.
Antetokounmpo quickly back. Oh, they leave him open. Gafford, too late. Giannis throws it down.
Terrible defense.
Ang laki-laki ni Giannis na iwala mo pa. Ang embarrassing moment naman na to ni Kevin Durant sa pag-i-inbound ng bola.
You see the length of Milwaukee in their defense. Chris Middleton takes all the way. And Middleton right there elongating to the basket. And it looked like Durant, frustration, turned the ball over, inbounding the ball. Step over the line. I think it might have hit the backboard. I'm not sure.
Isama na rin natin sa embarrassing moment natin noong kailangan yata ng Warriors team ng headgear dahil kay Draymond Green.
Green out top. Bounce it off of the head of Klay Thompson. Trying to get it to Curry.
Nakalimutan yata ni Green na kakampi niya yung mga yun. Kung hindi, technical ka na naman. Ngayon ay nasa kalahati na tayo, kaya ang ipapakita natin ay ibang level na. Pero bago yun, ilike mo naman ang ating video. Panoorin naman natin noong time na nakalimutan ni Larry Sanders kung anong team ba ang kakampi niya.
Malcolm Thomas and Larry Sanders.
Mukhang kinabahan si coach doon ah. Ngayon, ang next moment natin ay sure ako wala pa kayong nakitang ganito. Noong time na nabully ang 6'10" na si Anthony Davis dahil sa pagiging maliit.
Wallace at the point to Williams inside to Marjanovic, gets double teamed. That. And that even made Davis smile. Well, they say he has an 8-foot reach, wingspan.
Laugh trip talaga tong si Boban. Bihira lang natin makita sa NBA ang pambubuli dahil sa pagiging maliit. Pero paano naman kung makatulog ka sa gitna ng laro?
Difference between the clock, so they should have time. Aaron holds his dribble out, 10 to shoot, 9. Nate Merchant's the screen. Gun to Snell, fires, no, rebound, Powell, and a whistle on a foul.
Oh, see that? Hey, I'll tell you what. With all the switching that Washington does, that time you got Garrett Temple.
Uy, mag-focus ka kasi. Nananaginip ka pa yata eh. Para sa ating next moment naman ay noong pinatunayan ni Klay Thompson sa atin na don't celebrate too early.
Got to spit it in. Curry was so open, he passed it up. Now that was a little interesting. Sometimes you're unselfish and you hurt the team. That's too unselfish. Steve Kerr gonna have a little...
Nagkahiyaan pa kayo, pareho naman kayong 3 points god. Speaking of 3 points, imaginein mo naman kung tumira ka ng 3 points pero sa maling direksyon.
Game continuing to improve. Giannis drives and the ball goes out of Dudley's hands as he prepares to shoot. We've seen that happen on a free throw.
Yeah, just loses it, flips behind him. Now what? Oops, it is embarrassing. No.
Mapunta naman tayo kay Terrence Davis. Nung time na niyabangan niya ang kalaban sa pamamagitan ng shimmy bago siya tumira ng wide open 3.
Wide open. Wide open. Terrence Davis with the shoulder shimmy.
You might play Reese. The Kings smell blood. Up by 9. Halliburton. Davis. A little shimmy.
Ang susunod naman natin ay ang most embarrassing moment na free throw routine na nakita ko.
No. Hey, the calls go to the aggressors.
First
so
of
let's
all,
say
Minnesota had their
Nemanja
best player
aggressive.
ejected. Belly just pulled his shorts down right in the middle of the crowd right here. You don't see that very often.
Whoa! Okay, we're going to be seeing that on replays for years to come. Who was the baseball? There was a baseball player who did that about 20 years ago. Steve.
Nemanja, hindi mo yan dapat diyang ginagawa. Anyway, mapunta na nga tayo sa next clip natin. Hindi natin pwede gawin itong embarrassing moment nang wala si JaVale McGee na suking lumabas sa Shaq and a Fool.
Frequent nominee in Shaq and the Fool. Here's 3 boneheaded plays by my boy JaVale McGee.
Tignan natin ang ginawa niya laban sa Raptors.
Just need stops desperately. Long rebound, Nick Young. John Wall up top. McGee, where was he? He was running back, trying to get back in transition.
Uy, saan ka ba kasi pupunta, Jabel? Ngayon, mapunta na tayo sa ating panghuli, ang embarrassing moment ni Russell Westbrook.
The second round pick as Durant gets the 3.
AD with 23.
Westbrook is walking with the ball. They're going to call traveling.
Yes, I thought they did.
I hope we have a clip of this.
Turnover number 8.
This is unbelievable. They inbound the ball to him. I've never seen this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I tell you that these players were little...
Kaibigan, iyan ang mga embarrassing moments sa NBA. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video, baka magustuhan mo rin ang mga ito. Salamat!